Yeah, my name is Glenn, and I am trying to see if I can get the militia to help me get a hold of Matt Demo Wrench. I've got a bucket list of things I want to do before I'm unable to walk or move around at all. Currently, I'm 51 years old, and I'm in a wheelchair, as you can see. And here pretty soon, I will not be able to get around by wheelchair. And my bucket list is to meet Matt Carricker with Demo Wrench. Maybe even get a chance to shoot some guns with him. Just got back from HEB, which is Texas grocery store, largest grocery store. Got a few little groceries. A lot of the things Matt has said, mostly on Off the Ranch channel, make yourself better for tomorrow. It's true. You want to make yourself better, and that's what I'm trying to do before I'm unable to get around like I am now. I could get around mostly by wheelchair. I could stand for no longer than 5 minutes, and I can walk for no more than 5 minutes. I suffer from what they call deteriorated disc disease, genetic, and basically what that means is that my discs are deteriorating. So therefore, I've had 5 neck surgeries in my neck. Latest one was in 2019, which was 12 hours long. After surgery, I had to spend a couple days in ICU because of the surgeries being so long. Oh, look, they're coming after me. I must have heard me say Demo Wrench. Oh, shoot. But, I got a bucket list of things to do. One of them is to meet Matt Carricker, because he is a nice guy. I appreciate the things that he does for pets. Wishing actually he could actually look at my pet. I've got a service dog that is, well, she's not doing too well, but she's surviving. And she's got a lovely family. He's on the bucket list to do. So he's just one of them. The other ones maybe to go to Florida to meet Cletus and actually drive on a racetrack. That's another one. I got to travel. I used to be a truck driver. Done 12 years cross country. Did 1 million miles safely without one accident, which is a big milestone for any truck driver. Because, I mean, you got to look out for yourself and you got to look out for other people, mostly other people, because they just don't know how truck drivers are able to drive those big vehicles. But yeah, if everybody can get a hold of, let's get a big thing going for Demo Wrench to get a hold of me and see if we can make this happen before I'm unable to do anything. Again, thanks for viewing my video and listening to me, and hope everybody has a blessed day. Thank you. God bless you.